country has spoken on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. President Draupadi Murmu has mentioned and urged that all the countrymen must take a pledge to ensure safety and respect for women in our society. An important message by the President of the country. My colleague Arunima has more details. Arunima, clearly speaking in context of what has happened in Kolkata over that horrific rape and murder case, and any kind of celebration is going to be somber in front of that.
Absolutely. I mean, this Rakhi, I don't see the kind of festivity that this festival usually gives, because every brother is feeling the horror that Abhaya, as she is being called, as the victim doctor is now being called. Every brother perhaps is feeling that pain. Every sister is relating to the pain that the family is going through. So festivities are definitely dampened, and the President of India is also asking, and I'm quoting her, she says, "I would like that on this festival day, all the countrymen take a pledge to ensure safety and respect of women in our society." So from the highest office in this country, from the first citizen of this country, is coming this request that, this is of course a law and order problem, but this is also a societal problem. Till the time every male decides to give a female the due respect, irrespective of her age, irrespective of what she is wearing, irrespective of the time of the day or night that she is in, she deserves the respect as a human being. And that is, I think, what the President of India is also referring to, that each one of us should take a pledge to give her due respect. And today here on ground, I think the doctors at RG Kar Medical College have decided to celebrate it as a Black Rakhi Day. They would be seen tying black Rakhis on their wrist, just to remind what is their campaign: justice for the victim doctor, justice for Abhaya, as they are calling her.
Right, Arunima, thank you so much for all of those details. In fact, doctors continue to protest, people continue to protest all across the country over this horrific rape and murder case that has happened at the RG Kar Medical College in Kolkata. We are getting live visuals from Mumbai's Azad Maidan, where protesters, of course, are demanding justice for Abhaya. We are also getting reactions from there. Let's take a look.
मैं डॉक्टर प्रेरणा गोम्स हूँ। मैं जसलोक हॉस्पिटल की एनेस्थीसिया डिपार्टमेंट की हूँ।
मैम, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, आज आप लोग यहाँ पे आजाद मैदान में इकट्ठा हुए सब डॉक्टर्स और कुछ मांगे करें कि क्या मांगे आप लोग की और किस लिए?
ओके, हमारी ये है कि आज हम लोग जो इकट्ठा हुए हैं, हमारे सेफ्टी एंड के लिए हुए इकट्ठा। जो हुआ कलकत्ता में रेप, वो उस बच्ची का नहीं हुआ, हम सबका हुआ, हमारे देश का हुआ है। ये जो रेप हुआ है, देश का रेप हुआ है। और ये हम 78 इयर्स का इंडिपेंडेंस में हमारी यदि सुरक्षा नहीं होती तो फिर क्या है। हम लोग आज सब डॉक्टर्स यहाँ पर एक साइलेंट प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। हम ज्यादा कुछ नहीं मांग रहे। हम गवर्नमेंट से इतना रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, छोटा बड़ा, गवर्नमेंट, कॉर्पोरेट, शुड हैव अ सेफ्टी काइंड ऑफ ऑडिट। वो हम मांग रहे हैं और हमारी सुरक्षा मांग रहे हैं।
In fact, CNN News 18 also spoke to doctors of RG Kar Medical College on the current situation. Let's take a look.
Dr. Abhishek, these social media theories that are doing the rounds, you know about them. Drugs, porn, and then that exam pressure. Have you heard anything of this kind while you have been a student here?
Yes, ma'am, I do have heard about all this. Some of them are true, some of them are not. I'd like to state that the first point about the sex racket, it was a rumor back from 2001, and that is currently not true. It was investigated and did not come out to be true right now. And there's nothing such going on in the college right now, ma'am. But the point that has been told, drug racket also same. I cannot actually validate if that is going on or not. If there is something in the internal, we do not know it about.
By drug racket, they mean selling medicines spuriously.
No, ma'am. That is what I am telling. If there is something of that going of that nature, we do not have that information. Being simple students, we do not go into so much depths about that. You can understand that. Right. But ma'am, about the third thing, about the exam pressures and the students being harassed, that is absolutely true. And that has been going on for a while, since 3 years, since the very day Sandeep Ghosh was appointed as the principal of this very college. And ma'am, there has been committed a lot of crimes. You can say there are crimes only.
Let's shift our focus now. There is another row that we will go into that has started. We will look at it right after this very, very short break. Right now, shifting our focus, slipping into a very, very short break and coming right back.